But yeah, so
Thoughts of a wedding ring, cause baby you deserve it. No, I won't never leave your side or leave you hurting. I always knew the day I met you it was worth it. I need you here with me, cause baby you my person. Ride with me, girl, ride with me. I got
ooh, wow, really dripped out. No can. But hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ali, and I am back at y'all with another video, man. Today we finna do a unfurnished, how you say it? A unfurnished home. You know what I'm saying? Tour. You feel me? And I just felt like tagging y'all along, like bringing y'all with me. So yeah, let's get it. You feel me? I'ma get at y'all whenever we at the house. You feel me? Yeah. Here's the crib. Welcome to MTV crib. You know what I'm saying? And with your boy Ali. You feel me? So we're gonna start right here. What they call it? Living room. Type B. It's like a living room. It's empty right now. You know what I'm saying? Cause this is the unfurnished tour. You feel me? So yeah, like I'm gonna have like all types of stuff. I'm gonna show y'all the furnished tour whenever I furnish this job. But slide over here with me to the kitchen. Come on. Don't be scared. So this what a young buck gonna be cooking up at. You feel me? I'm gonna be cooking up. Got us a little dishwasher. You know what I'm saying? Got us a little dishwasher. You feel me? Like, oh yeah. What that is? Okay. Got us a lot of cabinetry. You feel me? And how you say it? Cabinetry? It's a lot of cabinets in there, boy. There's a whole bunch of cabinets, baby. Just like voila. You feel me? You think these soft clothes? Nope, they show enough ain't.
boy, if you don't.
They show enough ain't. You gotta take your time for it. Look at the window. You feel me? Got us a little window whenever you washing dishes. You feel me? You just look up, just see the pretty sight. It ain't too pretty right now, but shoot, it's gonna get right. You feel me? I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it right. You feel me? But yeah, shoot, this the rest of the kitchen. Slide this way. You feel me? You can slide this way. You know what I'm saying? Got the oven. You feel me? Got the whole oven or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Wait, this the oven and this the stove. So what you call that? A steven? What you call that? Anyway, so we got a little air filter thing. I think that's what it's called. That's an air filter? Event. You know what I'm saying? We got, ain't nothing going in there, cause can't nobody reach up there. So ain't nobody got time to be putting nothing up there. But we got this little fridge today. You feel me? Got this little fridge today. That's the freezer right there. This the refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? Really could call this an ice box. You feel me? Y'all. You feel me? Like if you think about it, look at the island. You gotta get the island too, man. You gotta get the island too. Yup. I'm gonna get what type of stools did you get, man?
Bar stools.
I'm saying what color?
The color of your shirt.
Ain't that wood? No. I don't know. I'm gonna have like a little painting up there. You feel me? Like a little paint and whatnot over there. You feel me? I don't know if I want to tour the whole house. I should. I was about to just tour this and the place I'm gonna be at. You feel me?
I mean, do the whole house. Go ahead.
Tour the whole house? Okay. So, should I start that way or this way?
Whichever way you want to start.
I'm gonna start down this way. You feel me? So we got this little hallway. You know what I'm saying? This the door. This the front door or whatnot. You feel me? So we just got us a little hallway or whatnot. Got the little thermostat on though. You feel me? This the first bedroom. Right here, this the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. different. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's really small, cause like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. You got a little closet in here. You can step on in, you can step on in. Got a little closet in there, guy. You feel me? Some slight. Got a beautiful view. You feel me? Just a beautiful view. And then got the vinyl floor. Just check the aesthetics right there. You feel me? Like, yo. I say in a few years, if I have a child, it's gonna be that room. Right now, it's gonna be my new room. You know what I'm saying? My niece's room. You feel me? And my nip. That's gonna be all their room. That's gonna be the cheering room. It's the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Just go ahead and pan through there right quick. This where all the magic gonna happen there. You feel me? Like, matter of fact, you got to knock on this door before you even enter. Gotta knock on this door. Voila! You feel me? It ain't no furniture in here yet, but shoot, it gonna get there. I don't know why they got this in there, but it's gonna get there. They should have had this on the door. But shoot, I mean, you feel me? It's still a moving process right now. You know what I'm saying? But shoot, got a somewhat decent view right now. You know what I'm saying? I would pull, I don't know how to pull that door up. Where the string at? They ain't they supposed to have a string?
Those are the ones that's springless.
How you pull them up? Oh, you pull them up like that? What? Oh no, I ain't even know that. Oh shoot. I ain't even much know that. That's crazy. But yeah, I got a little smooth little view.
Now how you pull it back down?
I don't know. Do you put it?
Yeah. Yep.
What? I ain't never seen these before. I'm scared I'm gonna break it.
Don't pull too hard then.
I'm scared I'm gonna break that joke. Put it gently. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna have like a little, you feel me? 1 and 2 thing, you feel me, like that. This my closet over here. You know what I'm saying? It ain't too much room in the closet, but shoot, I'm gonna make ends meet. I'm gonna make ends meet for sure. Is that light actually helping?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Yeah, you see. Pretty good.
Okay, so we're gonna teleport into a whole nother spot. Alright? So once I snap these fingers, we're gonna be in a whole nother side of the house, you feel me? Cause who wanna do all that walking? You know what I'm saying? See, I told y'all we was gonna teleport, you feel me? Fast as heck now. But yeah, this the other hallway, you feel me? This the other hallway, you got to get that up. Look at that. You probably ain't even see that the first time it came out. You know what I'm saying? See, I be pointing everything out, you feel me? Got this light that's in the middle of the hallway. Our lights ain't on right now, you know what I'm saying? It's a building process right now. So we gonna hit the utility room first, you feel me? Utility room / washing room for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? Smoothly, you feel me? Smooth little 1, 2, you feel me? I like how they door set up though. I love these type of doors. Don't worry about these cracks and all that. They gon' fit that. They gon' fix it. They gon' fix it. Okay. So that behind you is where all the utility stuff is. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna mess with all that. You feel me? So we just gonna leave all that alone. Now we going to the master bedroom, aka my dope room. You want to tour your room? Oh, you want me to tour? So, okay. Got a big bed behind you, feel me? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Like if I lay down, it takes like about 5 of these to come from that way to to go over there. You know what I'm saying? Well, no, I won't say 5. It'd be like probably 3 or 4. Probably 2, 2.5. For real. But that's still a lot of space. You feel me? So which way should I go first?
The closet.
The closet or the bathroom?
Closet.
Closet. Okay. We going to the closet. We gonna shoot to the closet. Let you go on here. They still got their stuff in there. Y'all just disregard that. Yeah, got a little walk-in closet. You feel me? Got the lights up there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even noticed there was a light in there. That's crazy. I ain't even noticed that. If y'all can see my nose bleeding, it's bleeding because my nose pierced. Video dropping some. This the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Voila. You feel me? Big behind tub. You feel me? Boss status. You know what I'm saying? Let me. Big boss status. And y'all. So look, this the mirror. You feel me? Big behind mirror. Got the 2 sinks, the Jack and Jill, you feel me? Got like a lot of cabinetry, you know what I'm saying? Got the shower right there, you feel me? We're gonna improve a lot though, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a lot of improvements. Alright, and yeah. That was really it of the house tour for I should have showed them the backyard and I ain't gonna do all that. I'm waiting until we actually move out here first. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting until we actually
Get some landscaping.
settled in and getting some landscaping and all that type of stuff. But yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Turn on your post notification bell. You feel me? And yeah, more content on the way. You feel me? I'm dropping all April. You feel me? All of April, that whole month, I'm gonna be dropping a video every weekend. You know what I'm saying? And it's your boy Ali, and I am signing out. I'm out of this guy.
Ride with me, girl, ride with me. I got plans for you.